All right, so it's taken me a couple of hours, but I was able to break the whole engine down, and I'm gonna go eat dinner. But after I get back from dinner, I am going to pop the head off. I just popped the timing chain out, and it turns out, in fact, this engine is out of time because the intake and the exhaust markings on the camshafts were not perfectly square, flat up, straight up. So they weren't pointing straight up when they were sitting here. But it's obvious that it was out of time because the number 3 valve is bent. You can see it through the port. So instead of coming straight down, it kind of does an S curve. So my expectation is that at least one or both of these valves in number 3 are bent, maybe broken. I don't know. I didn't find any like raw metal in the oil yet, but I haven't dropped the pan. I've only emptied the oil. So, and I scoured through it pretty good. I didn't find anything that was super obvious. I've got every component sitting over here on this table, and it's a mess. I mean, there's oil and grease and just everything everywhere, and I'm going to have a lot of hours ahead of me cleaning and polishing this engine up. So, but the good news is I think I'm getting down to the root cause, so we'll be able to get this engine off here, this head off pretty soon, and yeah, we'll go from there. So talk to you in a bit. Oh, valve number 3 broke. The lifter broke. There's a part of the lifter there, and the other part. There's a piece. There's a rocker right there. Looks like it's I'm not sure how these things get assembled. But that's not good. So I wonder if there's another piece of this down in the, that might be what actually fell in the piston. Probably fell right down in the intake and fell through the valve and bent it up. And that might have been my chatter that we were hearing. Alright, I'm gonna pop this head off so we can. Alright, moment of truth. Can't really use these anyways. Junk. Oh, that cylinder is toast. So, Yeah. That cylinder is pretty much gone. Gonzo. What I'm hoping is that the cylinder wall is actually okay. It looks, the top part of it looks like it's not damaged. That's good. Take this gasket off here. I don't see any cracks or anything in the cylinder wall, so that's good. But that cylinder is definitely beat. And I haven't flipped the head over yet to find out exactly why. These other cylinder walls look okay. Alright, let's see what's going on over here with the head. Okay, so gasket wise, I mean, it's not blown out or anything in the middle, but the material has been worn away. I mean, it's pretty much gone. So, the carbon and everything's built up on there. Okay, let's flip this thing over, see what we got. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. That is a ruined head. Shoot. Yep. That head broke off and has been impaled into the head. There it is. I don't know if that can be saved or not. The outer wall is okay. I wonder if that can be machined back into functioning. But there's the problem. So I'm missing a piece of this valve. Probably down in the pan. Not sure how it got on there. But the other problem is the valve stem itself broke off. A little shard of it went right into there. So I don't know if this head can be saved or not. Plus the spark plug threads look pretty shoddy. I don't know, this might be toast. But if I have to buy a new head, I'm not sure what that's going to cost. Yikes. There you have it. That's what was banging around in the engine there, huh? Okay. So the other side, this other piston, has definitely got all the valves were hitting. Every single one of these pistons has extra valve marks on it. This one was the worst because it ended up breaking the valve. But I'm sure all these valves are toast, like bent. Yeah, this one's bent also. This valve here, this one broke all the way. This one's just bent. These look to be all seated properly. These aren't seated very well. So I think this head's toast. Time to look up what heads cost. What a new cylinder head for a Mini Cooper. That might be pricey, but we'll see. Maybe it's $500, $1,000, I don't know. Okay, now we know. Oh, what's that? Oh, check that out. This bolt actually snapped also in the process. Pretty bad, pretty bad. So this rocker came off. Could have bent the... I wonder if it could have bent any... Well, this is the other side. This is the broken side over here. This just snapped.